Very good evening to all my friends. I am S.M. Ramu, Chairman, Tirupur branch of SARC of ICAI. Normally, it is the expectation of the people to know what the leader, either the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister, or the District Collector, does during a difficult time like cyclone, drought, war, etc. The same is the situation now. The world waited to see what the new ICAI president will do during the COVID lockdown time. But our Honorable President Sir took the opportunity into his hands and motivated and trained all of us to do online training and online anywhere audit. The SIRC 52nd Regional Conference is the outcome of this training. The dream baby of our SIRC chairman and his team. I wish a grand success to this mega event. Thank you.
வணக்கம். I'm CA Selvaraj, Chairman of Sivagasi branch. Our branch was inaugurated in the year 2012. Since 2012, we are getting the award from regional level or national level. In particular, last 3 years, we are getting award from national level. I am taking this opportunity to convey my sincere thanks to all the members and students, those who have worked hard for getting this award. And coming to our 52nd regional conference, we all know that the man behind the conference is DC Jain. Now the word DC has been interrupted as Digital Chairman Jain sir, as far as my knowledge is concerned. He has conducted various digital programs during his chairmanship, and this program is going to be a sigaram of his performance. That is why he has named as a sigaram for this 52nd regional conference. On behalf of Sivagasi branch members and students, I am conveying my blessings for grand success of the 52nd regional conference. Thank you.
A warm greetings to all the members. This is CA Abhinaya, Chairperson of Madurai branch. My hearty congratulations to our Chairman of SARC, CA DC Jain sir, and all the managing committee members of SARC for taking this much efforts in organizing this virtual conference, especially during this challenging COVID period. So this conference will definitely be a memorable one to all of us, since this is the first conference in the history of SARC where the entire conference is taking place through a digital platform by using advanced kind of technologies. So my best wishes for the same. And special address or Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ma'am and President and Vice President of ICAI is the highlight of this conference. And we could see many renowned and eminent speakers across India who are addressing for this conference. So on behalf of Madurai branch of SARC of ICAI, I take this opportunity to convey my best wishes for the successful and productive conference. Thank you.
வணக்கம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். I am Geeta Kumar, Chairperson, Chengalpattu District Branch of SARC of ICAI. Our branch was inaugurated in the name of Kandipuram District Branch, and it was recently renamed as Chengalpattu District Branch of SARC of ICAI. Ever since our branch was inaugurated in the year 2016, we have been continuously getting awards from SARC, both for our Sikasa and branch from SARC. My sincere thanks to our vibrant MC team for all our glory and success. I wish to thank the SARC Chairman DC Jain and his team of Regional Council members for the best cooperation and support extended to us all along. Even in this pandemic period, I am very glad to note that SARC Regional Conference is being held in virtual mode, and my congratulations to the dynamic SARC chairman for this great effort. I wish the conference a grand success. Thank you.
Vanakkam. I am B. Kritika, Chairperson of Pondicherry branch, and on behalf of Pondicherry branch committee members and our branch members, wishing the chairman of SARC, Sri Durgachan Jain sir, the managing committee members of SARC, and all other delegates of this 52nd regional conference of Sigaram a grand success. Due to COVID, this whole year of us conducting and attending the program by virtual mode, and we have also started enjoying it. In our Pondicherry branch, we are able to conduct 23 programs, out of which 44 are structured programs and 8 are of unstructured programs. The Subordinate Conference of SARC of ICI, hosted by Pondicherry branch, has recorded the attendance of more than 450 members. So let us hope for meeting the members soon in upcoming programs. By best wishes to the 52nd Regional Conference. Thank you.